Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 3 best Tundra Leveling Kit that you should buy. Let's get started. To start off with is the KSP Front Leveling Kit for Toyota Tundra. For the Toyota Tundra 2WD, 2x2 and 4WD 4x4 trucks, there is also the KSP Front Leveling and Rear Lift Kit. It covers production model years 2007 through 2019, but it is not for use on the Rock Warrior edition. The leveling and lift kit raises the front end up to 3 inches and the rear end up to 2 inches. Once properly installed, the KSP leveling and lift kit provides increased ground clearance and still maintains a factory quality ride. The color also matches the factory coating on the Tundra suspension system. The fabricated steel tapered rear lift blocks are also black powder coated as well. The 4 U-bolts included to secure everything in place are high strength, zinc plated, grade 10.9 manufactured for a 160,000 psi yield. Next up is the Supreme suspensions. Now we have the Supreme Suspensions Leveling Kit. This one is designed to raise Toyota Tundra production models 2WD and 4WD from 2007 to 2019. It lifts the front end to 2 inches using strut spacers. CNC machine from aircraft billet aluminium. This same kit also works for the 2WD and 4WD Toyota Sequoia production models from the same range of years. Contents of the Supreme Suspensions Kit include 2 aircraft aluminium front strut spacers, the Supreme Suspensions Pro Pack, all installation hardware, and step-by-step installation instructions. Designed for an easy bolt-on installation, which takes only 1 to 2 hours, no special tools are required, and the original factory shocks can be used with the leveling kit without compromising the ride quality for the driver and passengers. All parts are machined from aircraft aluminium for exceptional strength and durability. To end with is the Bilstein 5100 series shock kit. First is the Bilstein 5100 series shock kit. It is designed for the 2007 to 2014 models of the Toyota Tundra 4WD. This leveling kit has ride-height adjustable shock absorbers designed for use on the Tundra and other coil-over style pickup and SUV front suspension systems. Contents of the 5100 kit include the shocks, TP14 spacers that correct driver's side lean, and front coil springs. Options that you can choose with this kit include variations on TACDR05 front differential drop kit depending on the Tundra model and owner preference, allowing for a truly customized appearance. Every Tundra owner also needs to measure the ride height of their truck before and after installing the lift kit. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.